Okay, look at here. Got myself the DJI Mic 3. I was not going to do an unboxing on this in particular, and the reason is I figured, hey, there's already about 11 unboxings on the Mic 3, but I got the Mic 3, the entire kit, plus I got an extra one here for my Osmo 3 or Pocket 3 to go ahead and replace this that came in the creator kit. It works great. I love it. I'm like, hey, this is supposed to have better noise cancellation. And for my main YouTube channel, I do a lot of videos from my car. And, you want to reduce that road noise even more. Plus, with the Mic Mini, it was okay. Even though I unboxed the Mic Mini, I really didn't use it that much because I felt the noise cancellation on this one was a little bit better. And it didn't have the recorder, and the recorder has saved my butt several times. So, yeah, it just got relegated. Plus, it didn't cost that much. But I ended up getting the Mic 3. I was going like, well, I don't really want to add my unboxing to it, but you know what? I'm going to do it. And then I said, well, nobody cares about the individual Mic 3 here that didn't come in the full kit. And then I opened it up, and then as I started going through it, it was like, oh, I don't think anyone's really done the individual. So I'm going to make this true to life, so I'm not going to unbox it again. So here it comes. So it actually comes with its own little pouch and everything. And this is why I decided to go ahead and do this. If you look at the reviews that are on YouTube and anywhere else, it talks about like, hey, what's the one thing that's missing? We don't have the USB-C. Uh-oh, no USB-C. And what you do is I haven't even unboxed the thing. I just decided to do this because I'm going to be recording a whole bunch of videos tomorrow. You put it into the case. Oh, no case. Oh, what do I do? This is why I decided to do this, because I was kind of wondering that myself. It comes with this. I swear I didn't see any individuals for the mics. So yeah, here we go. This is how you take care of everything. How you're supposed to charge it, because I opened it up and I was looking at it. I was like, oh man, that is so nice and tiny. Look at this baby. It's so tiny. Ooh, look at it. It's so tiny. And then it's like, wait a minute, how am I going to charge it? Then I open the next little thing up. Okay, so this, it came one of these little static-free things here. It came right here, so I pulled it out. This was right here, and another one of these little static packages here. And then I went like, oh, that's it. Okay, that makes all the sense in the world now. So be careful on this one, don't lose it. It's magnetic, so like you can't see it, but I can feel it. It's like repelling on this end. If I were to drop it, it's gonna like probably fly off. Whoop, whoop. Oh, it did like that. Okay, what's gonna happen here? Okay, did that. But anyway, okay, that should have just, okay, maybe it's the wrong direction. What's going on here? Okay, now there, it's like repelling. It's like, come on, get on there. No. Okay, maybe is this all right? Okay, there it goes. Pops in. That's interesting. So it's got to go in real good there. So anyway, I did not charge it, so I probably should have done that, but I just wanted to immediately come down. Comes with a little silica, so let me do something so the dog doesn't eat that. Let's see here. It comes with a couple little pop filters here. One black, one gray. So we got these babies here. It just pops on the top, but I'm sure there have been 11 different videos on this. I'm just showing what comes in the individual pack because I'm going to see if there's enough power in here to throw it on. And let's see here. Okay, so here is the clip and magnet. I usually use the clip because what I do when I'm driving is I clip it on my seat belt. So let's pull it out of here. Oh, it just flops on. Boop, flop. And let's just play with the magnet for a second. See what happens. If you can have them both the same. Oh, it flops on too. And let me see if I can do it without that being on there. And I can. I think every example I saw online when I was deciding whether or not to do this, because, you know, DJI is all pissed off right now and you can't buy one of these from the store. Had to get it from Amazon, and I'm really ticked off because I had to pay taxes. Those of you don't know what Amazon does, you know, like for years you didn't have to pay taxes with Amazon. They've fought it about them paying taxes, and all of a sudden overnight they went, okay, we'll pay taxes. Here's what really happened. Y'all can go look this up. Don't just believe me. They cut a deal with every jurisdiction they're paying taxes in that they will collect taxes, but they get to keep the taxes. Y'all don't know that, do you? Yeah, they get to keep the taxes. So you know how companies get tax incentives for opening certain things and creating jobs? Have you noticed every place has a distribution center now for Amazon? That was their tax incentive. When they collect taxes, that's their incentive. They don't give it to the jurisdictions. So yeah, there you go. That's how life really works. Okay, these actually go, this goes in here. Yeah, so you get from DJI, you know, you don't, well, those of you who buy a lot from DJI, you don't have to pay taxes, so I had to pay taxes. I'm also ticked, you know, I'm coming up on time for this, and I can't do the renewal for the stupid, what's its face, on this, you know, the insurance or the DJI Care. So let's see, I'm gonna try to figure out how to do this without reading the instructions to pair it. Let's see here. Okay, that turns it on. Let's turn this one on. Went into like a flashlight mode. Interesting. Huh, won't go down. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. So let's do this. Let's do the wireless mic. So I'm gonna assume, nope, that turns it off. Okay, so let's try power it on again. So the record button powers it on. Let's see if I do a one quick record on there. Well, that just, okay, so one quick on the records. Quick off turns it off. Let's see if I hit the pair button, what happens. Okay, just, and that pairs it. So unlike the Mic 2, because the way you pair it on the Mic 2 is you press the record button until, for those of you who know, press the record button, put it in the pair mode, and then you press the pair, which I didn't know because this kept losing connection. I would like set up for videos and everything, and I won't even record until I'm driving. So I lost like 2 videos. Anyway, yeah, there we go. You can, if you can see it, here we go. Here, yeah, it's not spiking or anything. Let me put the, let me see if this one will work. Whoops, I didn't have to do that. Let's stop, let's turn this on, see if it's still paired. It's been really irking me. Okay, got to repair it. So let's put it on transmitter 2. Let's set it up to pair. Now what we got to do is figure out, turn on the noise cancellation, or if I need to do a update to the DJI here. Okay, I didn't bring anything to put this on. Let's try this again. Pair, Apple. There it is, I think. Yeah, there we go. So they're both in there. So let's put them together, see how they go. Spike. You can kind of tell, it looks like the, well, I'm gonna have to see if there's an update for the Osmo 3 here. But, well, that's interesting. I've not done any updates lately. The last update was well before the Mic 3 was released. And if you can see it here, oh, look at that. It actually shows DJI Mic 3. That blows me away. And look, the Mic 2 has 80% power. I did recordings yesterday, and I got 10 hours left. The Mic 3, which I just pulled out of the package a few minutes before I came down to record this, has 60% power and has 57.3 hours left. And I can record too. Man, this thing is, look at the difference in size. I'm gonna just go ahead and turn this off. I feel nervous since I can't have my DJI Care anymore. So the power off button is now the record button, so it's double duty. I didn't read any instructions. And anything I saw on YouTube, it was more like, should I do this? Because it was probably stupid for me to do it. But yeah, look at just, I should bring down the Mic 3 or the Mic Mini. But yeah, it looks about the same. That is neat. Yeah, so with this case here, I half like it, I half don't. So what I do, because all the cases that really help protect the gimbal, and this one doesn't do it as well as I had hoped to, you lose the ability to have the little, thing to hold your mic. So I just put it here. So let me see if this still works for me. There we go. This is where I store my mic at. Okay, may have enough space to get both of them on here just to keep carrying it in case I have to do an interview. Let's see here. There I go. I got 2 mics on here now. So I can just whip one off and do an interview or something. Bam. Okay, I'm good, I'm good. Okay, that was it. That was my unboxing and pairing up with my Osmo Pocket 3. And I want to call this one's good. I'm happy. It was 99 bucks, but I had to pay taxes. I hate paying taxes when it's not like it went to the schools or something like that for police or fire protection or something useful. It just goes to Amazon and people don't realize that. Okay, I'm done.